Hello everyone! Last time, I shared 2 questions and their corresponding solutions with everyone. Today, let's take a look together. What other problems do you encounter when choosing air ducts? Firstly, the size and specifications are not suitable. Then you need to choose a manufacturer with a professional design team. Ensure the accuracy of duct data. Secondly, the installation requirements are not clear. Then we are required to have a detailed installation guide or request the manufacturer to provide installation support. When you are choosing air ducts, what other problems have you encountered? Welcome to let me know in the comments section.